Imagine you wake up early in the morning, grab your phone, and see a new message. Congratulations, you just made 251.86. This will be deposited directly into your bank account. Right away, you get another message. Congratulations, you just made another $137. This will be deposited directly into your PayPal account. This is something I do all the time now, and so do a lot of other people who know the secret. We get messages like this every day, sometimes even every hour, but today you could be one of us. This short video will show you something new about how to make money online that you've never seen before. I'm going to talk about a total of 4 free apps that will pay you without you having to do anything. Well, not exactly nothing, because you still have to download the app and sign in every day to get your money. Anyway, they're all free and don't require a credit card or investment. They work in the US, UK, Australia, Philippines, India, Nigeria, Bangladesh, Pakistan, Indonesia, Vietnam, and any other country in the world. So make sure you stay tuned and watch until the end to learn about all 4 of these apps. The more apps you use, the more money you will make. But first, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the bell for daily money-making videos. If you want my #1 recommendation and the best way to make money online, click on the first link in the video description below. Click on that link and enter your email address so I can send you all the details to your inbox. With that out of the way, let's watch the video. The first app I'll show you today that can help you make a lot of money is InstaGC, which you can download for free on your phone. Now they'll show you all the payment proof right on their Facebook page. They're very honest about it, as you can see here. Congratulations! You just redeemed a $149 PayPal gift card. Here, you can see proof that you were paid. When I click the next button, you can see what happens here. Another person got $77 in PayPal money and another $50 deposited directly into their bank account. If you don't have a PayPal account or a bank account, you can also get your money in the form of a free Amazon gift card. You can see $100 in Amazon gift cards here, and there are literally hundreds of thousands of other proofs of payment. You can check it out for yourself on their Facebook page. For those of you who haven't joined my Facebook group yet, click the link in the description below the video. That will bring you to this page where you can join my free private Facebook group. Now let's go back to the app. As you can see here, you can earn points for things you already do online. For example, you can complete some simple surveys by clicking on a few buttons and get paid. Why not? If you have 10 or 20 minutes a day, you can simply search the web. You can browse different websites and search on Google, and you will get paid for every minute that you do. This is one of my favorites because you can just click the play button and let the video run in the background. You can also open up multiple tabs to watch a lot of videos at once. On top of that, while you're watching the videos, you can do some surveys or search the web, giving you multiple ways to make money from just one app. Now, if you want to download and install this app, all you have to do is join InstaGC. You can do this through Facebook, Twitter, or Google, or you can just put in your username, password, and email address. Click this button, and you'll get 10 free points right away. Also, let's move on to the second app, which is actually called App Karma. You can now get rewards for playing with this app without spending any money, and the best part is that it works on both iOS and Android devices. Now, once you earn points on this app, you can use them to get gift cards from top brands or PayPal. All you have to do is click this button to get App Karma on your phone. Once you install it, you'll get 300 points for free, and 100 points are worth $1, so they'll give you $3 for free without you doing anything. Now, if you want to make more money with App Karma, you can also invite other people to use it. As you can see here, all you have to do is share your invite link or referral code, and you'll get 30% of what they make. Now, let's say you refer one person. If they make $100, you can make $30 for free without doing anything, which is crazy. This app is so powerful that you can just download it for free and start making money right away. You don't even have to do anything. All you have to do is log in. Logging into this app is all you need to do to get rewards every day. Make sure you check in every day, and when you do, they'll give you extra money and bonuses just for logging in. This is crazy if you want to make money without doing anything. On top of that, every time you complete an achievement or a task, they'll give you a badge, and these badges will help you level up. As you can see here, you can raise your reward level every time you earn one of these badges. This will give you an extra 12.5% of the bonus, and you can literally multiply your earnings by using these badges. For example, if you make $100, you can use these badges to turn $100 into $125, which is crazy. So make sure to check out all the achievements and get as many badges as you want. Now I'll show you the third app I want to show you today. It's called Cash Kick. You can find it at cashkick.com. Once again, there's no point system on this site. They just give you cash. In fact, cash is their best reward. They basically put all the money in your account. They can do bank transfers or PayPal money, and you can start right away and get paid right into your PayPal account. Again, on this website, you can answer different surveys and find different great deals. Videos can be watched. You can surf the web, which is similar to Instack, but they'll pay you even more than Instack. Again, I want you to focus on watching videos because that's where you'll make the most money. If you want a more detailed video, I can show you how to make money on cashkick.com. I have other videos that show you how to do everything step by step. You can find the links in the description of this video. If you want to sign up for a free account, all you have to do is put in your email address and password and click this button. Now we'll talk about the fourth app, which is called Superpaid. You can find it at superpay.me. Basically, you can make money online with paid surveys that don't cost you anything. You can get paid within 24 hours, and the amount you need to cash out is very low. You can work from home and do as much or as little as you want. If you sign up today for free, you'll get 20 cents right away as a welcome bonus. I'm making this video at the same time. They already paid out more than $3 million to all the members of this app, and the idea behind it is simple. You can join today for free and get a 20-cent bonus right away. You can take surveys and complete offers, and you can get paid and cash out your earnings in many different ways, such as paper money, gift cards, Amazon gift cards, Bitcoin. And check this out. They're supposing to pay out even more money soon. You can see who paid today, and right here you can see all the members' names, usernames, and the types of payments they made. Most of them cash out through PayPal, and you can see how much they've made. So all you have to do is click here on this button, Join for free today. That will bring you to this page where you can sign up for free right now by filling out your personal information and mailing address right here. Once again, they accept people from all over the world. Now I want you to leave a comment below and tell me what country you're from and where you're from, so I can create more videos for you in my future videos. If you think that today's video is too hard and you want to make money in a much easier and simpler way, I have something really special to show you. All you have to do is click on the first link in the video description and enter your email address. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.